Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Java application that generates HTML involves using Java to create dynamic web content. This can be accomplished in various ways, but one common approach is to use servlets in a Java web application. Below, I'll provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up a simple Java web application using servlets to generate HTML content. ## prerequisites. 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, make sure you have JDK installed, version 8 or above. 2 Apache Tomcat, download and install Apache Tomcat, which is a servlet container that will run your Java web application. 3 IDE, use an integrated development environment, IDE, like Eclipse, intellij IDEA, or netbeans. ## Step 1, set up your project. 1 Create a dynamic web project, if using Eclipse. Open Eclipse. Go to File-New Dynamic Web Project. Name your project, example javatohtml. Set the target runtime to Apache Tomcat. Click Finish. 2 Create a servlet. Right-click on the src folder of your project. Go to New Servlet. Name your servlet, example Hello World Servlet, and click Finish. ## Step 2, write the servlet code. Open your newly created servlet class, example Hello World Servlet.java, and modify it to generate HTML content. Here's a simple example. ## Step 3, configure web.xml, if necessary. If your servlet is not annotated, you might need to configure it in the web.xml file located in the web.inf directory. However, since we used the @web servlet annotation, this step is optional. ## Step 4, deploy your application. 1 Export the project to a WAR file. Right-click on your project. Select Export-WAR file. Choose a location and click Finish. 2 Deploy to Tomcat. Copy the WAR file to the web apps directory of your Tomcat installation. Start Apache Tomcat by running startup.bat, Windows, or startup.sh, Linux/Mac, from the bin directory. ## Step 5, access the servlet. Open a web browser and go to. You should see the HTML content generated by your Java servlet. ## Conclusion. You have successfully created a simple Java web application that generates HTML content using servlets. This is a foundational example, and you can expand upon it by adding more complex HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as well as interacting with databases or other services. ## Additional resources. Java Servlet API documentation. Familiarize yourself with the Java Servlet API for more advanced features. Java Server Pages, JSP, consider exploring JSP for more complex HTML generation. Spring Framework, for building more robust applications, consider using the Spring Framework, which simplifies many aspects of Java web development. This tutorial provides a basic overview, and you can enhance your skills by exploring more advanced topics and frameworks in Java web development.